morning. Today we're going to skin some 3/4 inch boards off this cant here. We kind of squared it up last night, big old girl. But to make the cuts for the 1 inch for the side of the building here, we're going to use what they call a Ripper 37. I just got these a little while ago. They're made by a Canadian blade manufacturer. This is the second one I'm putting on, and so far so good. I really like them. We'll go from there and see how she slices up this big cant. These Ripper 37 blades are double hardened tip as compared to the ones I get from Woodland Mills, which are in their own right are a good blade, but they're a little bit cheaper. These are twice the cost. And then I've got a bimetal blade from the same manufacturer of these Ripper 37s that I'm going to try, and they claim that they last and last and last, but we're not going to try that one yet. So here we are. We're gonna start some cutting here and see how she goes. Because we ran out of gas halfway through a cut, we want to prop this end up on the board so it doesn't pinch when we get going. We're just going to shove this in, kind of like the wedge, just to get us going here. Well, that was a big log. We got enough 3/4 inch wide thick planks going up on the building. We're here right away. I'm going to edge them a bit, clean them up. And it's all going to be along the west or the east wall there. Took a good 3 hours to do this all totaled. And I'm still not quite done. Like I say, I gotta do the edging. And thanks for watching. And next time you'll see these planks going up on the wall. Till then, we'll talk to you later.
Next time on Lumber and Lures.
Well, that was a log to a wall. One whole log did that wall. Pretty cool. Amazing what you can do with a mill.